Imagine printing 5,000 flyers. You got your logo, your offer, and your QR code, and then you realize one tiny problem. The link behind that QR code is wrong. With a normal static QR code generator, that mistake cost you all your flyers, all your money, and your time. You can't change the destination, you can't track anything, just start over. With GetQR.com, you can change link in seconds, even after the QR code is printed, and every flyer that you already sent out still works. In this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use GetQR.com to create dynamic editable QR codes. Customize them with your brand, protect them with the password if you need, and track scans with the real analytics. All in 5 simple steps. Hey guys, Rana here. If you use QR code for your businesses, marketing, menu, events, or even your personal branding, then watch this video till the end. This one tool can save you a lot of money and headache. Link to GetQR.com with 7-day trial in the video description as well as in the pinned comment. Create your first dynamic QR code. On the GetQR.com homepage, you will see a big headline, Generate Editable QR Codes. Right under that, there is a blue button, Create QR Code. You don't need to install anything, it's all in your browser. GetQR.com is already used by over millions users, and their QR code has been scanned by tons of millions of times. So you are not testing some unknown tool. Once you click on a Create a QR Code button, you will be taken to a 3-step simple wizard. Choose what your QR code will do. Now you are on the page that says, what do you want to create? This is a step 2. You will see a whole grid of QR code type. For example, website, vCard, social media, app link, PDF, images, videos, Wi-Fi, and so on. For this example, let's pick the most common use case, website. Click on a website. On the right side, platform shows a preview box titled Create Your Perfect QR Code, which will update as we move through the steps. You can use this flow later for any QR code type. Now we are in the step 2 of the wizard, complete content. At the top left, you will see a website icon and title, a field labeled with enter your website, and another field, name your QR code. In enter your website, paste the URL you want people to open, for example, runnersvfx.com, or your landing page, your store, menu, Wi-Fi, whatever you want. In a name your QR code, give it something you remember. For example, my website QR code, cafe menu, event, landing page, etc. On the right side, you already see a live preview of how the QR code will look on a phone mockup. When you are happy, click next at the bottom right. Customize, brand, and protect your QR code. Now we are in step 3, and this is where GetQR.com goes beyond those free QR code generator. You will see several sections. Choose a frame and color. At the top, there is a frame section. You can pick different frames around the QR code like Scan Me, rounded frames, frame for menus, coffees, delivery, etc. And then choose from the color preset or create your own like black and white, your brand color like blue, green, red, etc. As you click on a frames and colors, the preview on the right update instantly. A well-designed frame with a call to action like Scan Me can seriously increase scan rate. Next, there is a customization section. Change shapes, colors, and text inside the QR. Make the dot around or square. Adjust corner design. Make it with your brand style instead of using boring black square. And then the logo section. Upload your brand logo. Place it in the center of the QR code. This makes your QR code look more professional and recognizable. Because GetQR.com creates high-quality scannable codes, you can safely add your logo without breaking the code, as long as you don't cover it too much. Finally, there is a protect QR code with a password. Turn this on if you want only certain people to access the content. For example, private event landing page, internal documents, clients only resources, something like that. When someone scans the code, they will be able to ask for the password before they see the page. Once you're happy with your design and settings, click on download QR or finish at the bottom button. And here's your creation process has done. And this is how you create a dynamic, amazing looking scannable QR codes. Download, track, scan, edit your QR code later. After finishing, you will be taken to My QR Code Scanner section and a pop-up appear. Your QR code is ready. Here you can choose the format like JPEG, JPG, PNG, etc. You can also choose the resolution, and finally download the QR code, save it, or you can print it if you like. Why use GetQR.com instead of free QR generator? Let's be honest, there are free QR code generator everywhere, so why you bother with a paid tool? Here's what GetQR.com adds the most free tools don't. Dynamic and editable, advanced analytics, full customization, password protection, and high quality downloads. If you're running a real business, those features can easily pay for themselves with one successful campaign. Pricing and 7-day trial. On the pricing section, you can see 7-day trial for around $1. Make sure to check the page for current pricing. After the trial, you can choose quarterly plan. Annual plan about $19.99 per month. Most paid plans include unlimited QR code, advanced analytics, full customization. You can start with a 7-day trial, build and test your QR codes, see the stats, and then decide whether you want to keep it or not. If any case you think like it's not for you, you can cancel your subscription before trial ends. So that's the review of GetQR.com. If you found this review video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.